How to use the Glovo app to send items. Hello beautiful people, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can use the Glovo app to send items. Now, are you asking if the Glovo app can be used to send items? My answer for you is yes. You can always use the Glovo app to send items to your loved ones or your family, just like you can also use it to send items to yourself. So what do you do first? Go ahead and launch the app. Once the app has been launched and you're brought to the home page where you can see the search bar by the top part of the screen, the profile icon by the top left corner, and then coins by the top right corner. The next for you to do in the search bar is to type out what you would like to send to the person. Okay, you can just look here to if you can see it amongst the listed options, and then once you've seen it, click on it. Then once you've clicked on what you want, you'll be taken to a page where you'll be asked to select the number of items you want. Now this selection varies, it depends on the type of product that you are getting. All right, some will require you to select more depend in order to suit your taste. So once you've selected, if it's one or two you've selected it, click on the add button at the lower part of the screen, and then you take it to another page. Click on the other one as well, and then if you want to add any of this, you can decide to add. If not, just go to checkout. Then once you click on go to checkout, you'll be taken to the checkout page. On this page, you'll be asked to select if you want a cutlery. You'll be asked to select a delivery details. So on these delivery details, you would just kindly enter in the delivery details of the person that you would like to send this particular item to. All right, and to enter the person's delivery details, just click on the where to box, and they'll be directed to the map where you can just select the person. And then once you're done, click on send it to someone else. And once you click on send it to someone else, enter the recipient's name, enter the phone number, click on save, and then you can now go ahead and make payment, and then click on confirm order, and the order would be made. And then in few minutes the person would get the product. It is that simple. So this is how you can use the Glovo app to send items. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.